Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so now RGTI is down to $7.32. Did not want to talk about this one yesterday because I'm like, let's just let it drop. We got earnings as well coming up tomorrow. I don't think, even if it has good earnings, I doubt that it would move. Nvidia had good earnings and still dropped. There's a bunch of stocks that had good earnings and they still dropped anyways. So even with earnings, I'd be careful. Even if it has good earnings, I would still just expect it to drop. Even if it pumps, it'll just drop right back down. I've seen this already this whole past week. Good earnings on Nvidia, and it still dropped, right? So I would not bet on earnings for this one. I'd be very careful and cautious. But that aside, we're headed to $6, and that's where I'm waiting to add. I told you guys I can wait. I'm not kidding when I say I can wait. That MACD has not been reliable, but hey, that 200, anytime it comes under that 200, that's when you buy. No one wants it when it's under the 200, but then when it goes kaboom, oh, everyone wants it now, huh? So that's going to be the opportunity of a lifetime right here. It coming down to 6 and under. When it comes down to 6 and under, that's when you want to start buying. That's when you want to start accumulating. Too many people make the mistake of doing the opposite. They see it up 21 and go, oh my God, what an opportunity. I don't know who thinks that way, but they look at this and go, what an opportunity. Woo, it's going to go to 1,000, I guess. I don't know the mindset up here, but yeah, we waited. I mean, we're headed towards 3 months of waiting, but it's well worth it because you get the best bang for your buck. You want to start averaging down from that purple line and under. And that's what we're going to do. I'm waiting. I have not alerted in the Discord. I can be patient. Come on down to Papa. I would expect this to come down to 6. In fact, if it has bad earnings, we'll probably come down even lower. And if Nvidia drops under 100, oof, it's going to bring everything else down with it. And I've said this before. If Nvidia is struggling, you're going to see the market as a whole struggle. Well, here we are. So I present to you a bear market. Take advantage of the cheapies, accumulate it as it goes lower, and when everything starts pumping again and we get another hype cycle, we're just going to make hand over fist money. It's important, though, that you always buy whenever it starts getting close to that 200, or at it, or under it, ideally, because you get the best bang for your buck, and you stand to make way more, and you're not holding a bag up here, because the people holding a bag up here, their average is all the way up here. Even if they're averaging down, their average is all the way up here. Their average is very high. It's up here at like 18 to 21. So this stock would have to move back to 21 for them to even unbag themselves and make money. Whereas if you start averaging down with me at the purple line and under, you're buying at 6 and under. So you're buying at what, a third discount from highs, or a fourth almost discount from highs. And when this thing moves even to $12, you're going to make 100%. And if it goes back to 21, well, you're not bagged up there, so you stand to make even more money. That's really the whole point of that purple line, which I know might seem arbitrary, or it's just a purple line. Hey, it works, right? So far, so good. If you wait and you're patient, you'll be surprised by how much you can make. Other than that, I believe March is also when we have the Quantum Day with Nvidia, so that's going to be interesting as well. We'll see what happens with that. But that's it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. Get ready for those alerts at $6.